morning to all of you who are watching. It's a new day, bright new morning from Cherrapunji. It's not a clear sky today. It's a cloudy one, and just woken up, but the sun is rising across us over there. It's a wonderful morning. We had a wonderful sleep here, and the plan for today is that we'll head to the double-decker living road bridge. Hopefully, because we've been told the trek is not that easy. It's gonna take us a few hours, but we're gonna try and do it. About 15 minutes into it. Fucking highway to hell. View is insane though. The hard part is thinking out climbing up. Walked about 500 steps from some point, but it's about 1500 more steps to the double-decker bridge. Find a little bit of water here, and we've come to our first suspension bridge. Yeah, we gotta cross the river onto that way, not from here because this is closed. Just gotta casually cross the river. Another suspension bridge. Look at the water underneath here. F***ing hell, look how blue it is. It's a small root bridge across to the other side. See here, the upper one, there's the lower one.
So I'm just taking a bit of a break here after about an hour's hike to the double-decker bridge. It's not as tough as what people are talking about everywhere. People say that it's a tough hike. It's not, but it does take a lot of toll on your knees, on your calves. So it's just that you can take a lot of rest and go there. It's nice and bright today. About the double-decker bridge, I think, to be frank, it's one of those places which I feel is overrated. There's a lot of people around there, so I just went there, spent about 10 minutes there and came back. Not the kind of place that I resonate with. It's a nice place in general, it's nice to see how nature has sort of formed over the years. It's a nice double-decker route bridge. You'll find a lot of single-decker route bridges in Meghalaya, but yeah, it's just that otherwise the people around have ruined it, in my opinion. But yeah, the hike's worth it. Good to spend some time in the nature if you're coming in the opening hours of the day. If in case you're coming later in the day, I think you can skip it because the crowd's just maddening here. Or you come in off season probably. So yeah, that was it regarding the route bridges. I mean, I'm just gonna get on the bike. Hopefully it'll take me about 45 minutes to hike back up. I'll get on the bike and we'll see what we can explore here in Sohra for the remainder of the day. Back on the bike, I'm riding to a unique site next. What a lot of people don't know is that the 10 longest caves of the country are all here in Meghalaya. So I'm here at one of those ancient marvels, and this one goes by the name of Mawsmai Cave. Mawsmai offers a glimpse into the fascinating world underneath our feet, and it's one of the easier caves to explore in Cherrapunji. What's fascinating is that all these passageways were formed by the erosion of limestone and the flow of water way back in time. There are some places inside the cave where you will need to squeeze around and crawl. But all this adds to the experience of cave exploration. The route inside is fairly simple, although the absence of light makes it a little spooky experience for some. It's a nice adventurous experience for the first timers in my opinion, and I'm sure you'll be glad to see the light at the end of the tunnel. I think this is the true test of someone being claustrophobic. It's evening here in Cherrapunji and we are all hungry. It's what you do when you're on a tight budget. Buy a packet of bread, buy a can of sandwich spread, neat away. Got some nice sandwich spread out. So I carry this mix called Italian seasoning. I add it to the spread whenever I want it. With some seasoning going on in here. And we've got ourselves a nice little meal for our midday hunger pangs. That's one way to do it without having to get to a restaurant. I started doing this 5-6 years back when I realized I don't have to head out every time I start having a hunger pang. I initially used to keep a lot of protein bars, but they're really costly here in India. You get one for the packet of a bread. So carry a bread packet, carry some sandwich spread, any spread that you like. I'm carrying some, I don't know, vegetable sandwich spread. I'm gonna make another one of these before we get some energy rolling into us, and we carry on for the day. I'm just gonna have a small little bath, clean myself since we're at a homestay. So might as well clean ourselves and some clothes while we have the luxury of doing that, and probably watch nice easy sunset before it gets really cold here. That's the plan for the day. Yeah, catch you around. If there's one thing I would strongly urge you to do on your visit to Cherrapunji, it would be to witness the sunsets here. The grandeur of rolling hills, the vastness of the landscape, the gentle breeze, and the hues of the setting sun. What an experience! That was it. That was a couple of days of my time here in Sora, Cherrapunji. The views here are crazy. I mean, this place is situated on a hilltop, so you can see a 360-degree panoramic view all around yourself. There's rolling hills for as far as you can see. Saw a banger sunset. And that's the thing about sunsets here. I mean, the sunsets are a crucial part of experiencing this place. That's about Cherrapunji in a nutshell. Like I said, I've just been lucky enough to do this. Being here in Sora in Cherrapunji has been, of course, one of those things that you never think that you were going to do because of the place that you're in. Because I live in Noida, it's a little bit far from where I am. Hence, I decided to do the entire state of Meghalaya in one go. As much as I could, of course. I think that's a nice way to call curtains of my time here in Cherrapunji. I hope you've liked what you're seeing. I hope you're liking the series as much as I'm liking doing it, taking the little bit of extra burden of trying to shoot a few things here and there. But yeah, thank you for watching up until now, and yeah, I hope to catch you in the next one. See you around.